to me with the shiny head again. I hadn't got around to it, so I'm gonna warn you ahead of time. I'm gonna be making a video comparing all of these things, because I got a whole bunch of different ones, and comparing this brand, Tecton, comparing to these gadgets, which have a chrome finish, but chrome scratches, looks like shit. That's a Strong Hand Tools one. There's also a Hobart brand. This is a Bremen from Harbor Freight. I got. This is Olympia from Tractor Supply. There's a Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight. This is a Mastercraft. This is a Bremen from Harbor Freight again. This is another Tractor Supply El Cheapo, no name brand. I had to write it on there somewhere. This is a Job Mate one from Tractor Supply. It looks extremely shitty. It's probably the same one as the other one there. So, and this little one here from Tractor Supply. So, if you think I'm going crazy with vice grip, with locking pliers, I am. I'm going nuts with them because they're fun to have, and I want to own every one of them and put them all on a shelf and then go click, 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 click. I need them. Yeah, I'm crazy. So anyway, I had a whole New Zealand Oyster Bay wine box full of locking pliers. They're all going to get maybe abused. I don't want to abuse them though, because I don't want to abuse my babies. My babies. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to put them back in the box and let them simmer for a while, and then I'll line them all up and show you them all. Because honestly, I think they're all the same goddamn thing. They all got the same finish. And I actually got it right where the hell the other ones came from. I got it right on there. Wally World. W-A-L-M-A-R-T. Walmart. Walmart brand, Walmart brand. Dun, 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 dun. I really want to open these up though. Strong Hand Tools. These are, but they're still in the package. There's the little, these are really nice. And I see another one on their website. I picked that one off. Tecton. See, at least this company, look, you can try them out. The other ones zip tied them all in the wrong spots. But I honestly think they're all made by the same, like 3 companies. This one's was made in Taiwan. I noticed a couple of the brands were made in Taiwan. My favorite is going by Snap-on locking pliers, and they're made by Grip-On. So why would you pay $100 for the Snap-on brand when you buy the Grip-On that are made for Snap-on? Like, I don't know, have that like. I'm getting to the point where I just like collecting them, and I like have a nice collection. So stay tuned for the big locking plier extravagant. What was it, a locking plier palooza? Since everyone else is using baking palooza and banana palooza and everything else. So thanks for watching. Click the button. Look at my double chin when I do that, and stay tuned. I got more for you. Toodles.